Managing your contacts in Apollo.io is crucial for staying organized and maximizing your outreach efforts. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to efficiently manage your contacts in Apollo.io, from importing them to organizing and segmenting them for your campaigns. First, when you log into Apollo.io, you'll notice the intuitive interface. You can quickly access your contacts by going to the Contacts section in the navigation panel. From here, you can view all your contacts in one place. Apollo.io makes it easy to sort these contacts based on different criteria, such as job titles, company names, or locations. This helps you stay organized, especially when you have a large list of contacts. Next, let's talk about importing contacts. If you already have a list from another platform, or even from an external source, you can easily import it into Apollo.io. All you need to do is click on the Import button, upload your file, and Apollo.io will automatically sync and categorize your contacts for you. You can even map the fields to ensure everything goes into the correct column, so you don't lose any important data. Once your contacts are in Apollo.io, it's time to organize them. This is where segmentation comes into play. You can create different lists based on the type of contacts you have, whether they're prospects, current clients, or partners. You can also apply tags and filters to each contact for even more customization. By segmenting your contacts, you can tailor your outreach more effectively, increasing your chances of success with each communication. Now, Apollo.io also allows you to add custom fields. These fields can be helpful if you need to track specific information that isn't already available in the default categories. For example, you might want to track a contact's preferred method of communication or their interest in certain products. Custom fields ensure that you have all the information you need to build more meaningful connections. Another important feature is the Engagement tab, where you can track your interactions with each contact. This helps you keep a record of all the calls, emails, and meetings you've had, so you know exactly where you left off. This feature is invaluable for ensuring you never lose track of your communication, especially when dealing with multiple clients or prospects. When you're ready to reach out to your contacts, Apollo.io integrates with your email and calendar. This allows you to send personalized emails directly from the platform without having to switch between different tools. Plus, you can schedule follow-ups and reminders, so you're always on top of your communications. By the way, if you're new to Apollo.io, you can use this software completely free from the first link below and gain access to exclusive bonuses that will give you even more features to make your contact management smoother. Before we wrap up, I want to mention one last thing: Apollo.io's analytics tools. These tools let you see how your emails are performing and how your contacts are engaging with your campaigns. This data is critical for improving your outreach efforts and adjusting your strategy in real time. So, managing your contacts in Apollo.io doesn't have to be complicated. By following these simple steps, importing, organizing, tagging, and tracking, you'll streamline your workflow and ensure that you're always ahead of the game. Remember, if you're ready to dive into Apollo.io, you can get an exclusive and extended free trial through the link below. This will give you the chance to explore all the features and see firsthand how Apollo.io can help manage your contacts more efficiently.